accidentally beat on it with a rubber mallet or something. Got my trusty rubber mallet. I bought this new years ago. It's worked on a lot of projects to get to look like that. Project after project, one at a time. The old rubber mallet does it again. Able to bust this loose. Here's a rubber mallet. I tried to retire this one and I started using this one a little bit. It can give you an idea on how many jobs this rubber mallet has done. This is what this one used to look like. Great tool for the toolbox though if you want to avoid damaging things. It's one of my favorite tools, the rubber mallet. Takes stuff off without damaging things. You can tell hit by hit, project by project, how much this rubber mallet has been through. I have other ones and I've tried to retire this one many times, but it keeps coming out and hit by hit, helping me on more projects.